What's up, y'all? It's your boy DGat. Today Pegasus and I are at AutoZone about to put on our strut tower brace bar, and today we're going to find out if the strut tower brace bar actually works. A lot of people say it works, some people say it's a myth, but today we're going to find out for sure, because you know I'm always going to keep it real with y'all. If it sucks and it's a complete waste of money, I will let y'all know. So we're about to find out. Let's get into it. Now, for those of you that don't know what a strut tower bar is, it'll be this bad boy right here. This is actually a GT strut tower bar designed specifically for the GT here. What the strut bar is going to do is it's going to sit right here on the strut towers here and here on both sides. It's designed to keep the car from having body roll. Now, for those of you that don't know what body roll is when the chassis rocks from side to side, like in hard turning and things of that nature. So if you ever hit a turn and your passenger's grabbing on to the handle on the side or grabbing on to the side, that's body roll. So the tools for the install is very simple. All you need is a 3/8 ratchet, a 13mm socket, and then you want to have a 3/8 torque wrench so that you torque it to the right specs. You don't want to over tighten this thing, you don't want it too loose. So I want to make sure it works for sure, or if it doesn't work at all. So we're gonna get started, and pretty much all we're gonna do is take off the two bolts right here and right here. Then we're gonna come over to this side, and we're gonna get these two bolts off here and here. We're gonna throw the bar on, and then we're gonna tighten it back down. Y'all, I really hope this thing works, because I've been getting a lot of body roll on my car, so that would really be a relief if this actually works. So I'm excited to see the turnout here, because I got sway bars on the back doing their job, but this front end, man, I'm telling you, it just rocks like no tomorrow. And that's definitely something you don't want when you're at high speeds with a lot of horsepower. So I pray that this thing works. One thing's for sure, we're gonna find out if it works or not. For sure. Can't even talk, man. Yeah, I think we got it. All right, time for the fun part. All right, so I just got the strut tower bar out the package. Time to put that baby on. Go on just like that. Alright, we got it on there. Time to tighten it down. We're going to take the first minute for that. I got all the screws started, then I'm gonna go ahead and put the torque wrench on there, tighten them up, and screw these screws on there. And once I got them started, screw them down a little bit more with the wrench, then I'll throw my torque wrench on there to torque them to the right specs. Make sure everything is as tight as it's supposed to be. Like the hand starting to save me a couple turns. It's a little bit quicker this way. Tighten it down a little bit so it's not spinning on me. Right there. Now I got that sucker tight. Now that we got our screws on there, we want to tighten it up to 26 foot-pounds. So, go ahead and tighten it up. get this down here to 26 foot-pounds. Torque that down. Just make sure I don't over torque it. Alright, that's 26 on that side. You want to torque this to 26. Gotta be careful you don't hit the measurements there and reset it, so you want to make sure you stay on that 26. Alright, I think that'll do it. Yep, I think that'll do it. Everything torqued down to spec. I'm gonna go ahead and go inside, return these tools back to these guys. We're gonna take this car for a spin and see if we got any improvements here. Like I said, before I installed this strut bar, one thing that I noticed, I was getting a lot of front end roll, a lot of side to side motion on my turns. So I decided to go ahead and purchase the strut tower bar, specifically the Mustang GT strut tower bar, because I like the powder coated finish that it has. It looks nice under the hood and pretty much flows well with everything else I got going on under there. Also, like I said, the strut tower kind of pretty much takes care of the front end roll, while you got your sway bar links in the back end, handling up the back end, making sure it ain't rocking back side to side like that. My back end was pretty sturdy, so I decided to go ahead and take care of the front end. If the back end's doing its job, might as well have the front end doing its job too. I want to make sure this car handles as best as it possibly can, because as I add this horsepower and performance parts onto Pegasus, I want to make sure I can still tame this bad boy. So let's get these tools in here and see what this thing does. Get that dust off there real quick. Oh man, look at that. Yeah, that looks nice under the hood. All right, I can dig it. Let's drop this hood and see if this thing actually works. All right, y'all, so after 3 takes, I'm finally recording. I was actually taking pictures and I just thought I did 15 minutes of footage. So anyways, I was in the parking lot, guys. I was in the parking lot. Do you hear me? I was in the parking lot and I automatically, instantly noticed the difference with this strut tower bar. Now I'm gonna hit a couple turns here and see if I really notice something in the turns, see if there's a difference, but I can already say from just the turn alone, I'm impressed. Here we go, first left turn. It works! It works! I just hit this turn at 20 miles an hour, y'all. And this thing handled like a dream. Oh! Definitely more stable in the front end. Like I said, my sway bar links in the back have always done their job. Not too much chassis roll on the back end. Everything's steady on the back end, side to side. Oh, I see this cul-de-sac. I'm gonna hit this quick circle real quick. 15 miles an hour. Let's see what happens. Oh! Yo. I just hit it at 20 miles an hour. Circle in the cul-de-sac. Handle like no problem. Yo, this it works. It works. I'll say I was skeptical at first. I didn't think this thing was gonna work, but it's definitely a great investment. Right now I'm getting little to no front end chassis roll. Now I can definitely say it works. Now for those of you who don't have a strut tower bar already and you know your car, once you put a strut tower bar on it, you're definitely going to notice a difference. I would highly recommend don't go with a cheap one. That way you really get a good test and know for sure if the thing works or not. But I can definitely say on my S197 Mustang, Pegasus is definitely turning like a dream now. Right turn, boom. Usually somebody would be grabbing onto the seat right now. I'll be putting my leg on the side door, kind of bracing on the turn, but it's really eating these corners, y'all. This strut tower bar is really a great investment. I definitely say the agility of the car overall, the performance, the turning, the handling has increased. So if you guys are looking at getting one, go ahead and cop that thing. But that's all I got for today, y'all. Thanks for watching. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and the bell right next to it so y'all stay updated on all my upcoming videos. I love y'all and Godspeed. Peace out.